Hi everyone, this is Joy with a quick little video on how to open up one of these packages from Stampin' Up. If you were lucky enough to get one of these really fun bubble mailer packages, they can be a challenge to open. So it is much cheaper for Stampin' Up to mail them this way. So you know, we just need to learn how to open them. So they have perforation. I've already started this one, but they have perforation in the middle here, and you'll probably need some scissors to start that. Go up to, kind of close to where the product starts, and then we're going to start pulling this apart at the perforation so that we don't damage any of the products inside. And you can just rip that all the way around and then rip through the label, and then it should start sliding off. So you can see all these goodies that came in my last order here. Let's see, what ripped? Something ripped. Oh yeah, the great. The package got stuck on this, so that did rip apart. So that's not great. But I can, this was supposed to go to a customer, so I'm going to have to probably figure out a different kind of a, cellophane bag to put that in for her. So yeah, that is the only problem, is this kind of rips up right here. If it was for my personal use, I wouldn't worry about it, but yeah, all right. But everything else is great inside of here. Nothing else is a problem. So that is how you open up these bubble mailer packages. Like I said, it did stick to this cellophane shrink wrap here, so we will try to figure out that part, but other than that, everything came out beautiful. So hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to open the bubble mailer packages if you are one of the lucky people who gets your product delivered in the bubble mailer. So until next time, bye.